Mema emergency Ghana for any ashofo nyina akwaba abusia na de meka so obi ni yema na wagye me so se wim ene die ne resource bi aba bepie mu aba beka yensa e wo fidiem ha se mo beka ya sofu bi ene ne yire eba ha se ya na kire se asori ma e bo sofu no kwadu se oni ni made oni neti afanyi nsen ene yakokọ ye nhihemu no resource na aba bepie abusia nti yensa mra yenko ne yenkonkotie yenkonko read resource ne hu se sofu no e yampa se oni aba ya no ewo bibiye anase ne asori ma no eka no no kra bia enim yenko ne yenkonkotie emra sisia.
Okay. Dear no, bless no dear way. Or the amount my miss on kind of. Okay. Doctor, family na yanko.
To my patcher,
Obisi mi miss out said Dr. Nose way. Facebook one out to the dim. Almost any almost fit. What you quite kaka, okay. Yachi no mammy. Say Facebook for your muffin. If it's next week, you can do your DNA upon DNA. So, okay. There no one will be at 10 years. I can't in the battle. DNA bow a bad ding. Perpetual so any acquay and I won't be watch a dear way. Almost DNA doc. Young quay. That in Pacho, what's the body anyway? I'm saying Facebook, Insura 104.5. Samsung, YouTube, Insura TV, for TV to Adum TV. Wait. I saw for an irritating syndrome. Oh, my Aquadana boyfriend say, me baby, Aquadana wono no, I saw for ba. So for your cement, I say, me kunu, me jenedy. Someone, yes, I da. ATM DNA. DNA, Abba, and near Beckay. NT Yankwe.
My patron, be last page, no, baby, last page. For you know, near verification check.
Okay.
Okay. But ube trainer obehu Daniel Nyakun Ebun the picture ho.
Okay.
Obehu Blessing Atila another picture ho. Obehu Righteous Selassie and Raymond Dogbefu and so pictures ever ho. But ene yembra enim first page. Ti Daniel Nyakun and the alleged father Blessing Atila na mother no. And Righteous Selassie and Raymond na mofra mi no tested omo.
Okay.
Ti pacho yen hwe table no DNA systems be ba ko mienu bi ne conclusion no.
Okay.
Ti first column no DNA systems and as DNA markers and markers ye tested for and at the twice no Daniel Nyakon ono ne DNA markers na wo the twice bi ne Blessing there the twice bi ne Righteous and the last one here Raymond Dogbefu ono DNA markers. Ti yen hwe first DNA marker no D3 S1358 no. Bo se Daniel Nyakon nya 1415. Blessing ayama nya 1617. Righteous abofra ba ko nya 1616 and Raymond nya 1617. Tu bo se wo hwe mofra mienu no de na bo se o man pekena ma bia emfri papa no ho. Se papa nya 1415 and mofra mienu bofra as Righteous no ono nya 1616 and ba ko nya 1617. Mammy mum nya 16 17 as mo front fa mammy no nyina 16 no.
Okay.
Ba papa de o man fa baby enfri no ho. Yembra the next marker TPOX no. Ubun say papa no nya 99. Blessing mammy no nya 1011. Righteous abofra no nya 1010. And Raymond abofra no so nya 1010. Ti hanu so bun say o man fa papa no 9 ni ba kokra. Yanshe last one D18 S51. Ubun se hanon so papa no nya 1719.
D18 no fine wadama.
D18 after D21 no.
D21 no okay.
D18 honom no.
Yeah.
Ubun se Daniel no papa no nya 1719. Maame no nya 1420. Righteous enya 1414 and Raymond enya 1420. To was a hands of you, no bones, a mafrano, answer for papa bibia. TV, or one a scientist no more who we know, or more conclude it. Mammy, you be a conclusion. No, I don't know, I can't con there. I don't able to. Who boyfriend all this? Huh? God's way. And no better the pig. I say dog bear food. Okay. See, but conclusion, first paragraph they say Daniel Nyakun Ebun is excluded from being the biological father of Writer Selassie Dogbefu.
Atiakem.
Therefore, it is practically proven that Daniel Nyakun Ebun is not the biological father of Writer Selassie Dogbefu.
Baako no.
Abafra baako no conclusion no.
Na chese well John Foreman miss as of a break team. Na chese
eno no chese papa e friend Daniel Nyakun enye ne ba ne Writer Selassie.
Hey! God's way. Yankwe. Kodani emienu.
The second paragraph. No? Daniel Nyakun Ebun is excluded from being the biological father of Raymond Dogbefu. Therefore, it is practically proven that Daniel Nyakun Ebun is not the biological father of Raymond Dogbefu. There's a second child, no. And then papa ne Daniel Nyakun Ebun. Last paragraph. No? The genetic data are in accordance with Blessing Attila being the biological mother of Writer Selassie and Raymond Dogbefu. I had to say, my friend, you need omo maame ne Blessing. Nemum, and young papa ne Daniel Nyakun.
God's will say, why a bregu? I'm Blessing. I didn't have a catch your boyfriend. Oh, I'm busy with the cagata. When you shake her,
kind of by yes, or say, or say, yes, or
but so we're going to mass you, Anna. Okay, my main course of Mammy. Mammy, oh, you're saying when you're now we're tense, and now confident level, no was true, and now. Saying to the man, when you could say, who could know yes, sir?
So, medical Adanyamiasi, Namagasi, the Amamuso, Nimu Juma Pa, Moye, Yaba Muji Felso, Muye Mae. Na yes, I'm coy, so Nenny dear, take a crag we are some, Nano.
Or some cocky can be brave.
Thereby, who yes, our TV, and no more for besides, make on Ginny who dear Adentina, or Dimechi say, dear Nini, but anything. Now, Meda Obia Sinso, Nyanyami pe enoye, me not na 27 years now. My first daughter was 24 years.
Wow.
Until me Ginny di, ye buye hu, ye doye hu. Until I say,
I was see go me. Ye buye hu. Ye doye hu enti ase so we ye mu.
They transparent yourself.
Okay.
They add on yourself.
Okay.
And they sweet yourself.
Okay, maybe I remember the other friends, right? Papa, one side, and then I will beka. If I say me would enti also nya the confidence to come with your wife. Say we be baby.
Yo, mama. They come with the children from Yakubu Asi. They also mean the Asidama in Shrine FM. And they're tea for you. So for Juma, I don't know Jumabi. But so would you Mudia?
Let's I don't know also.
Now you Moody.
I don't know also.
Because me Dano Asamba Cooper make out and say, say, when you're crawling fire crop. How?
Yeah.
Because I'm answering by say, I'm afraid to do a man for, but we won't say we do a man for.
Yeah.
My friends will come for, but we won't say. And no one here.
Yeah.
Nanya the any public cabin will be here. Because a blazing on you can blaze not on your maid.
Okay.
Remember, I couldn't vampire.
Ampa dano kind now so oje net na unchen
na awo mo na problem ni kunu problem police officer mo nchi ba mi na ma gene se gadi ni party ni sisa o abu na doctor did say want me no
oh
and wa wo tutan kran nyina free ni enti ba kono wo e kran po no o mo nyina yo wonwa second one from so want me won to mo so ko operation e so wo operation e so nyame o tia so wo ye enti me just say me sometimes se social am go dey so nda enti we ye social bi ba ma ka to say through this promotion
ene mom de ene kwa memo abo sorry no
ba ha no se me ko bie branch mi sa o north to go
oh okay
entra omudi ro to go se be anti ma enti me do ka to say nya de ni pa ka na mi tie
oh
me hwe se me bo me humbody aye ma afendie okro na me de ko okro no me dwuni se so dudu se bitimi dia guru akọ nyankopọ eni
yeah
enu na me dwuni ba enye dia mfaso amenya ho na me dwuni
then na obeka akere wo yere nso
really se no adi kan kai no
yeah
yeni me hu yeni me hu deda
okay
enti asida na me de man
oh
sabe na be ni no ati maasi oji mi du so mi jinedi
eti ne ya wade bi se wo ho oba betimi anya kokodro sa de wei eyo oba bi pa hu kasi bi so be keka onso bi se so anka no kra ana fi bi ba bi jera de ba brego anso wase mikunu de wonyansa nyenko ye ade oba ye nya ye kosi mikunu de wonyansa ichi ni mu krantin so say me kunu de wonyensa be ma no so aka say hey me da wase se ba me so me ala me de me ma o me nya die ne o me nye o de chire ba wa be ye de no ama ne ho asan ka bibi kakra na me de ya wose agu me de
mesukra chire se me de abaso body nyina be ma obey emma gidie edi
yeah
se ma mitimi gina printing se ma tami kunachi
amazing
emma so bibi mfimu ana
emma so bibi mfimu pa
okay
if you say dey wokan oba bia papa na gini hodi aso ko ba na nyini di e ka de ntawanta wakura be
ba na ko yin ni amako da
if you say sansem we ebisi bebere eye no kure se be ma na ye emfa ho ne sofo emfa ho ne obi a de to so mienu me de ebu ka se be ma sofo
yeah
if the sans of away o bebre papa na timi agina ne mudie mu wa me hu se Kristo ni sofo
yeah
obi ye sofo so nye Kristo enti papa ya mama hu ne se asofo bi ya no kwafo
yeah
papa ko oye
ya da ne
bo na so tie papa yin kasa yi ma ne bamumu na bamumu wa kwale yo
dabi asa no nko da ko be ko da so di daji
ze kasa kran ko no omugu mi fie sisi a
oh
e kire se ye wa Kristofo asofo bebre wo nyame nhyira wo ne yere mama nyame nhyira wa
jo me ko ba mama maka bi kanka wanu ye o meka e bo a tamedisu ampa
so
enti papa what sorry you did say
Great Revelation Word Prayer Center.
Great Revelation Word Prayer Center. Away.
I will comment test it. Kwabinya comment test it.
Okay. Wadaruma.
I was say question.
Yabeko.
Yabeko bank.
Yabaka be aba basra.
What?
amen
Yababa. Nakopon shamo pa se motimi ama yayewe ama sumbiaba blessing nakopon shawo swate fa wade no na de bre na
ade bi do
why innocent papa so for mukwa mbetimi akogema home ha mukogema home
abusia sansada wasisa oje bre ne kokoshe video no ebaye ene yate asem de pa brotherhood mutiri nkwa me masofo yitiri nkwa wayade we ya kire se oye nyame nipa ampa na ne yire nso abone homodin bebre waya de pa enya yo yiri bia na obetumi agina ne ku achi pampe se asem omode to ne so no eya no kre anase nya no kre enya yiri bia na betumi ayi sade nanso obeya kire se wo yo yiri papa oye sofu maame ankasa nya metinimu abusia sei ene ye hwehwe senko bia beye nipa wonim ne de na wonim no enti se obi echichire pobi e de to ne so a se wonim ne nkoa se wontumi nye sade na nyakuduro na tai nachi na di nachi na megide senko nimdie ebeba aha na mede wo si da se na ebesan so share like na share na subscribe for mame media me jeso ene na akosia adepa hanso da so emergency Ghana TV da se na ebesan so e de ehyiemu e wa ha biem makrawa na madawase